Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure WordPress typography settings for better readability. Complete guide step by step. Click. Open your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the Appearance section in the left-hand menu. Click on Customize to access the WordPress customizer. Inside the customizer, find and select the typography option. If your theme does not have a typography section, look for the additional CSS section instead. For themes with typography settings, adjust the body font first. Choose a font type that enhances readability, such as Arial, Roboto, or Open Sans. Next, modify the font size to ensure it is comfortable for reading, typically between 16 to 18 pixels. Also, adjust the line height to improve text flow, aim for 1.5 times the font size. Next, focus on the heading fonts. Select a font that contrasts with your body font to create visual hierarchy. Set the heading sizes appropriately, making sure they stand out without being overwhelming. Now, consider the color scheme for your text. Choose a text color that has high contrast against the background. Avoid using excessively bright colors that constrain the eyes. After setting fonts and colors, preview your changes in the customizer. Once satisfied, click Publish to apply your typography settings. If using the additional CSS option, add custom CSS to define typography settings not available in the customizer. For example, you can set body font and text color using custom CSS rules. Finally, ensure your website is responsive by checking the typography on different devices. Test your changes by reading various pages to confirm readability and adjust as necessary. Be open to feedback from users regarding your typography choices. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.